Welcome back. I hope that you are in good health. Tasty and easy aloe vera gel drinks. Most people are aware that aloe vera soothes dry skin, sunburn, and other skin irritations, but not many people know of the many health benefits the plant offers when it's consumed. For instance, recent studies have shown that aloe vera helps the immune system, encourages normal blood sugar, increases alkalization, and reduces acidity in the body. Best of all, it's natural and totally safe. The following recipes are not only tasty and easy to make, but all contain gel from the aloe vera plant for a healthy boost. If you do not have access to an aloe vera plant, you can usually purchase whole aloe vera leaves in the produce section of the grocery store. Aloe vera juice recipe. This juice can be used as a base for other aloe vera drink recipes. Drink 1 8-ounce glass per day to boost your immune system. Polysaccharides are the primary component of aloe vera gel. They stimulate the immune system and kill infections. Aloe vera pineapple juice. Pineapples contain high amounts of vitamin C and manganese, which is important for antioxidant defenses. Pineapple contains the enzyme bromelain, which helps to break down protein and detoxify the body. Aloe vera chia juice. Chia seeds deliver a massive amount of nutrients with very few calories. The antioxidant activity in chia seeds was shown to stop up to 70% of free radical activity. By adding a serving of chia seeds a day, you can boost your metabolism and burn belly fat as well. Aloe vera smoothie. This smoothie contains almond milk, which has plenty of B vitamins that are important for muscle growth and healing. Blueberries are one of the best sources of antioxidants, which prevent cell damage, but also protect against cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Research has shown the antioxidant compounds in mango fruit have been found to protect against cancer. Aloe vera orange juice. The health benefits of oranges are impressive and include more than just vitamin C. A single orange contains over 60 different flavonoids and more than 170 different phytonutrients. These powerful compounds have a wide array of healing properties. I hope that you enjoy these tasty drinks. As you can see, aloe vera is a natural antioxidant and immune system booster, whose health benefits are still being studied today. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.